Hello guys, welcome to my channel Law Wisdom. Today I am going to explain what is Waqf and essentials of valid Waqf. So without delaying, let's get started. Synopsis. Guys, remember, before solving any question, we have to write synopsis first because synopsis adds some value to our question or answer, plus it leaves good impression on the examiner. Okay? So the synopsis of this topic are meaning of Waqf, definition of Waqf, essentials of Waqf. In that, there are mainly four essentials of valid work. First one, property based in God. Second, Waqf must be permanent. Third one, Waqf must be irrevocable. And fourth one, Waqf property are inalienable. Inalienable means not transferable. So, very firstly, meaning of Waqf. Guys, Waqf means detention. Detention means taking into lawful custody. Guys, Waqf also means tying up of substance or anything under the property to Almighty of God. Almighty means dignified God or noble God, or we can say as powerful God. Waqf also means proprietary right, ownership of a property extinguished and transferred or dedicated to God. Means the owner of any property or anything transfers his property to God, it is called as Waqf. Waqf is a permanent dedication of a property by Waqif. Waqif means who donate or dedicate the property to the God for the religious or pious or charitable purpose. The purpose must be for religious, pious, or charitable, and dedication of property must be permanent. It should not be temporary or it should not be for a specified time. The next one is definition of Waqf. There are three elements of definition of Waqf. First one is ownership of founder और वकीफ इज एक्सटिंग्विश्ड. मतलब जब कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी गॉड को डेडिकेट करता है तो उसकी ओनरशिप वहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाती है. ही विल नॉट बी कॉल्ड एज ओनर ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी एनी मोर. Second one, property based in ownership of God, means God is now the owner of that property. Third one, the usufruct of the property is used for the benefit of mankind. Usufruct means उस प्रॉपर्टी का यूज़ करके जो बेनिफिट मिलता है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ मैनकाइंड या फिर सोशल वेलफेयर के लिए ही यूज़ होना चाहिए. So very first essential of Waqf is property based in God. The outstanding feature of Waqf is that the ownership of the property dedicated or vested in God means God is the only owner of that property. The tying up of property in the ownership of God and devotion of the profits for the benefit of human beings means प्रॉपर्टी जो है वो गॉड को ट्रांसफ़र की जाती है एंड उस प्रॉपर्टी से जो प्रॉफिट मिलता है वो ह्यूमन बींग्स के बेनिफिट के लिए या वेलफेयर के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. Once the dedication of the property is made to the Waqf, the ownership of Waqif is extinguished and it is transferred to the God. मीन्स एक बार अगर प्रॉपर्टी गॉड को ट्रांसफ़र कर दी तो वकीफ़ की ओनरशिप वहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाती है एंड गॉड विल बी द न्यू ओनर ऑफ दैट प्रॉपर्टी. Property vests in God in perpetuity, but the income from the property is permitted to be utilized for certain specified purpose, which under Muslim law recognized as religious or pious. Property vests in God in perpetuity means God is the continuous owner as long as the property exists. But the income from the property derived but income derived from that property is utilized only according to the definition of religious or pious mentioned in the Muslim law. Okay, so next one is Waqf must be permanent. Guys, Waqf must be created for unlimited period and Waqf created for a limited period is not recognized as Waqf. In short, Waqf must be permanent. Our third point is Waqf must be irrevocable. Once the Waqf is made, then it cannot be revoked. If the Waqfnama contains or reserves such right of revoking Waqf, then such kind of Waqf is void. But at the time of declaration, Waqif has a right or he can reserve himself the power of altering beneficiaries. Either he can add the beneficiaries or he can remove the beneficiaries. Beneficiaries means those persons who derives benefit from the work property. Similarly, up to some extent he can reserve the power to amend the work. वर्क में चेंजेस करने की पावर वो रिजर्व कर सकता है वकीफ. Our last point is work property are inalienable. As you know, inalienable means not transferable. Work property is not transferable once it is dedicated to God. But, in certain circumstances, if the Waqfnama allows Mutawali, then he can sell such work property. Mutawali is a manager or a superintendent of the property. If you guys want to know more about Mutawali, then description box में मैंने link दे दी है. Go and watch that video. Okay guys, apart from the above, there are other essential characters of the waqf such as firstly, there must be clear intention of waqif to create waqf. Secondly, he must declare such intention either orally or in writing. Thirdly, waqif must be the owner of the property. Means who is dedicating the property to the god must be the real owner of that property. Fourth one, the object must not conflict with the Islamic principles. Fifth one, of course, we know the work must be of the sound mind and a major and a Muslim. And lastly, work not be contingent or conditional. So that's all for now guys. Hope you liked this video. If yes, then please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.